My friends, in this week's video, I'm so happy to present to you La Joya Excellence. And Excellence is a proper name because, as I'm going to show you, if you were to live here, you will have access to this beach over here. And as you can see, because the rocks on either side of the beach prevent the access, we cannot forbid anybody. The beaches are for all Mexicans, all people that enjoy the ocean. But because of the geography, this is kind of a secluded, kind of exclusive beach. Another thing that I would like to call to your attention is the immaculate. Look at the green, the way they keep it. Right now it's in the middle of summer, and look at the green, the plants, swimming pool, jacuzzi, and as you can see, it's covered because they keep everything clean, pristine, as you will be able to see. At the very end, then there's the Casa Club. I think a couple of weeks ago, I came to one of the AMPI Association gatherings, and we had a tremendous time. In those area, we set up a taco stand, and we really have a blast. So you too, my friend, if you were to own a property here, you will enjoy of all of this. Today we're going to tour one of the villas, the Villa 36, and it's a pleasure to show it to you, to tour it. And if you're interested in any of these condominiums, there's plenty of inventory, give me a call, and we will set up an appointment to come and show you this property, La Joya Excellence. Thank you. My friends, I'm going to tell you how to get to La Joya Excellence. As you know, in my videos, always start from Hotel Rosarito, which is the most important, iconic part of Rosarito. And just repeating a little bit, from the San Isidro border to Hotel Rosarito, there is 20 miles. If you were to continue in Hotel Rosarito in those after the 20 miles, 1.5 miles on the same boulevard, over here is called Boulevard Popotla. That's where La Joya Excellence is. I'm going to ask my editor to have some of the takes that we took from the outside. So if you were to come here, you will see the entrance to La Joya Excellence, and it's 1.5 miles from Hotel Rosarito. One thing that I forgot to mention in the introduction, that they also have a gym. I'm going to have my editor to show you the inside of the gym so you can see the way it looks like. And now we are ready to go and start touring the villa number 36. Thank you. We are ready to show you the village. As you come from the beach area where there's the swimming pool, the jacuzzi, and the gym, you just come this little upstairs, walk this area, and right here is the access to the village 36. So come on, Luis. Starting over here, this is the entrance, but this corridor is a common area for all the villas. But this area right here, as you can see this door, that's the private property where the villa starts. So here we come, and as we come in, come on, Luis. This is the area where you can enjoy in the evenings with your friends, enjoying a drink in the afternoons, looking at the sunset. At the very end, over here in the common area, there's going to be another swimming pool that is going to be ready for your enjoyment, a very close distance with a beautiful view. Okay, now we're starting the tour of the Villa 36. As you can see, the owner has made several upgrades from the time she got this brand new villa. One of those things, he put a key here so that she can keep privately the stuff that she wants to keep. So when they rent an Airbnb, the Airbnb people do not have access to this. Another upgrade she did is she installed this aisle with the bell here. And another update she told me, it's all these quartz was another upgrade. In addition, she also put ventilators or fans, they call it in English, in all over the house. When I show you downstairs, you will see all these fans. One of the this project is it's going to be sold with all the furniture that you see. The owner is going to take only this dining table and the mirror at the very end. Besides that, everything that you see is going to stay with the price of the house, and it's a Airbnb project ready, and that's included with the price. Now we're going to move to the master bedroom. Thanks. We're going to move now to the master bedroom. But before you do that, this is the stairs that goes to the downstairs, where there are two full bedrooms with its own bathrooms inside of each one. And also there is a car garage for 2 cars, enclosed, opens automatically. But before we go there, I want to show you half of bathroom that is going to serve you the dining room and the kitchen and the people that you invite, so they can use that one. And now we're going to go into the sacred master bedroom, and as you can see, it's huge, it's big, and you can see the fan. But one of the things I really want to point out is the huge walk-in closet. Luis, if you can walk through the bathroom and then show our friends the quality, the upgrades, the double over here, double place where you wash your hands and brush your teeth and all that good stuff. And we're going to conclude the master bedroom with a walk-in closet that it's huge, it's big, and I'm sure the lady in your home is going to really enjoy this walk-in closet. The first thing that we encounter when we come downstairs is going to be this little living room area that has a bed right there. And as you know, in Airbnb, usually people pay for the people who can sleep in. Therefore, they want to take advantage of this space, placing this bed right there. But if you, Luis, look to the left, there is the entrance. You can enter the unit from the upstairs or from the downstairs. If you were coming in your car downstairs, you will access the 2-car garage right here. And inside the 2-car garage, there is also another storage unit right here. Like if you were to rent this unit in Airbnb, this will be a private area that the Airbnb guest will not have access to. Very good. Now we're going to show you the 2 bedrooms that are downstairs. We're going to start with the first one right here, that it sleeps about 3 people. It has its own private bathroom. And these doors, they close, so they will give you some kind of privacy. If the 3 people here, the family that's going to sleep here, are going to have their own private bathroom. Luis is going to show you the inside, the interior of this bathroom, proper to this bedroom. And then we're going to move to the last bedroom. It's going to be the 3rd one, and we will conclude the video there. Finally, we come to the 3rd and final bedroom. If you come, Luis, we can show them, like over here sleep up to 5 people. It's larger than the other bedrooms and has an ample closet, and also it has its own private bathroom for this particular 3rd bedroom. And please remember, if this is something that you're interested, if you would like to consider it as your second home or as an investment for Airbnb, do not hesitate, give us a call. Jose Luis Lopez, Del Mar, Rosarito Real Estate. It'll be a pleasure serving you and your family. Thanks. It has been a pleasure to show you La Joya Excellence. Please remember that if you're planning to move, invest, or buy in Rosarito, it doesn't matter if it's in 9 days or 9 months, the action starts right now. So please give me a call, let's schedule a visit so I can show you the opportunities. And remember also to subscribe in my channel, because every week I bring you the newest on the real estate developments, the newest, the specials, the opportunities in the area of Rosarito. Jose Luis Lopez, Del Mar, Rosarito Real Estate, ready to serve you and your family. Thank you.